Good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jaipriya, your maths teacher. See, today let's learn the properties of addition. See, you were already studied these properties in your second standard. Do you remember it? Okay, let's learn once again the properties of addition. See, mainly three types of properties. What are they? Yes, order property, grouping property and zero property.
Properties of addition. Mainly three properties. Order property of addition, grouping property of addition and zero property of addition. Now, first we can learn order property of addition. That means in order property, two numbers can be added in any order, then their sum remains the same. Now, see the example. Here we have two numbers 3043 and 2652. When we add these two numbers, we will get the sum as 5695. Now, let's rearrange the numbers. Okay, that is, we can add 2652 and 3043. When we add these two numbers, we get the same sum as 5695. That means the change in the order of numbers does not affect the sum. This one is called order property of addition. More examples. 4603 plus 2112 is equal to 2112 plus 4603. Next one, 1145 plus 2345 is equal to 2345 plus 1145. Next one, 7841 plus 2134 is equal to 2134 plus 7841. Second one, grouping property of addition. This says that three numbers can be added in any order, then their sum remains the same. Look at the examples. Here we have three numbers, that is 3426, 2041 and 1231. So, first we can group first two numbers, then add with 1231. Then we get 6698. Now, let's check what will happen when we rearrange the numbers. That is 2041 plus 3426. That sum you can add with 1231. Then we will get the sum as 6698. Once again, we can regroup the numbers. So first 1231 and 2041. Then add the sum with 3426. Then we get the sum as 6698. That means the sum of 3426, 2041 and 1231 remains the same in whichever order you arrange and add them. This one is called grouping property of addition. Next one, zero property of addition. This says when 0 is added to a number or when a number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. For example, 2432 plus 0 is equal to 2432. Then 0 plus 116 is equal to 116. Then 0 plus 2090 is equal to 2090.
Now I hope you all have understood the topic properties of addition. Here I am adding one real test. Okay, so take a paper and do it fast along with me. Okay, here I am adding 5 questions. One question carries 1 mark. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Okay, how many marks you scored, children? I hope you all have scored full marks, isn't it? Okay, then see children, please copy exercise 4 on page number 23 and exercise 5 on page number 25 into your notebook. Answer keys will give on next class. Clear? See children, on next section I will take a revision test or review test for lesson 1 and 2. So you all study well. All should attend the text. Clear? Then see you on next section. Take care and bye.